I'll take cover, watch the rain pass, the smell of water on the summer grass. This is my boundary, my place. Within the old stone, cold stone walls, I am the gardener. I clear things up, make good, plant seeds, watch them grow. Mist and light, moss and bark. I know where wind moves, why birds sing. My thoughts drift, rap and climb like clematis. Nothing separates me from this land but the cries of my mother. A dream or nightmare, a mixture of both. I see the maid, Margaret, tiptoe through the meadow, her fear a few steps ahead. I'm hacking at bramble, she's butterfly quiet, but I am no black devil. Maybe she'll run again, flinging the plate of bread and ale. But if she stays, I'll show her the roses, how petals make use of shadows, or is it the opposite? I'll turn soil for her, show her that darkness isn't emptiness, but endless giving. Flowers are birthed here, food and life. I hope the sun pours light upon our skin, and we melt into each other, into everything. And maybe the trees will speak, as they sometimes do, whispers from the shade, run, run away.